My friends, Black Friday is upon us once again, and that means there's a ton of deals to be had. Some pretty good looking ones, in fact, and I've gone out and done all the heavy lifting for you. Here's a collection of all the things that I would be checking out. Now, depending on what you're looking for, we've got storage, we've got SD cards, we've got lenses and cameras, software, all sorts of things. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's start with the stuff that works for everybody. Everybody needs memory cards, and it's a great day for memory card sales. Whether you're looking for something crazy, an external hard drive, a memory card for your camera, well, they got you covered. I would totally recommend something like the Extreme Pro 128 gig or even 256 if you're into shooting video and whatnot, or you're just a photographer who doesn't like to run out of space. I'm actually picking up a few of these because I am sick and tired of filling up my memory card mid-shoot or mid-video, whatever I'm doing, and it just kills me. So some great sales on those, make sure you check those out. There's also the Sony variety as well that are on sale too. And there's also some sales on some external and internal hard drives that you might want to check out as well. By the way, guys, there's affiliate links for all this stuff down in the description. It doesn't cost you a thing and it really helps out the channel, so it's much appreciated. And if you like this video and it does end up helping you out, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and join the community. Next, check out these epic deals from Adobe, including a $16 a month program for the entire cloud. You're gonna need an EDU discount to swing that, but if not, you can still save a bunch of money anyways. Now's definitely the time to upgrade if you're thinking about taking your stuff up to the next level with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, that kind of stuff. Great deal. Okay, let's dive into the gear. And Peak Design is having a pretty much everything on sale, which is fantastic. I recently picked up the aluminum version of their travel tripod. Yeah, it's pricey, but the thing is amazing and you really can't go wrong. The size and the weight is just unbeatable. Now, I didn't go for the more expensive carbon fiber just because of the price difference. I couldn't quite justify it, but I might grow to regret that. An absolute great pickup there. Now let's have a look at some camera and lens deals, and I'm gonna stick to Sony because we don't have all day and I'm a Sony shooter, so hope you can appreciate that, and this is mainly for you Sony guys anyways. The Amazing Value A7 III is now at $16.98, which is a great pickup. You can also find the beast that is the A7R4 on sale, so either of those are gonna serve you really well. As far as lenses are concerned, there's stuff for everybody. My main focus is gonna be definitely on the Viltrox for you budget guys looking for a portrait lens. Absolutely amazing, about 10% off. You really can't go wrong here. A great all-around lens. It's not much, but the new Sigma 100-400 is also on sale. An amazing value lens there as well. The fantastic Tamron 70-180 is $100 off. That's also a great pickup. And of course I have a full in-depth review on the majority of these lenses, so check that out if you're in doubt. And drop all your questions and comments down below, of course. There's a ton of native Sony lenses on sale as well, from the Zeiss lenses to the 24-70 G Master at $200 off. We've got $50 off the 20mm f1.8, which is a great pickup. And don't forget about APS-C lenses either. It's great to see so many lenses on sale, but do a bit of homework because sometimes MSRPs are tricky and they might put up the price and discount it to make it look good. The 70-350 is on sale for $100 off, which is a great telephoto lens for you crop shooters, and the 24-105 f4 is an amazing all-around shooter on sale as well. And here's an example of some sneakiness. The MSRP on the 70-200 G Master is $2,400, and here it's being sold on sale for $2,400, so be careful of that stuff. The 35 f1.8 is on sale here for a little bit off, and there's also some great deals on some third-party lenses that we'll have to check out. Now with native lenses, they never really go on a huge sale, but there are some stuff worth noting here, especially the 10-18 for crop sensor bodies. That's a great lens and there's not a lot of options for you, so keep that in mind. Keep an eye out for some great deals on Rokinon and Samyang lenses. I've had some great experiences with these guys and you really can't beat the price. There's also some dirt cheap manual lenses available, which might not be as convenient as autofocus lenses, but optically they're fantastic. Laowa lenses by Venus Optics are also pretty interesting lenses, especially if you're into macro, something to keep an eye out for. Next, if you're into drones and whatnot, DJI has an awesome Black Friday sale up to 32% off. You're gonna see stuff on sale like the Mavic 2 Air. The Mavic Mini 2 unfortunately is not, but it was just released, so you'll get the Mavic Mini as well as the original Osmo Pocket for a decent price, and the Osmo Action is a great price as well right now. I'm set for drones, but what I might pick up is the DJI Select, which is only $25 a year right now and gives you some pretty awesome perks. So you might want to check that out. And there's tons of little knickknacks. I picked this Gorillapod up a while ago and I'm super happy with it. A great price here. And there's a million things on sale. You got your earbuds and whatnot. I wanted to keep this short and sweet though and just show you what caught my eye in terms of photo and video. Guys, if you found any other deals that I didn't, or you know of something epic, make sure you drop it down in the comments. And guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and join the community. Anyways, let's leave it at that. I will see you in the next one.